In this video, I am going to show you some of the basic Linux commands. Here I have not specifically mentioned any particular Linux distro commands. Rather than I have mentioned Linux command. These commands which I am going to show you, this will work on nearly every Linux distro. Right now I am using the Zorin OS of Linux. So before moving on to the commands, I would like to give you a brief description of the term directory. What is directory? Just like in Windows, we have folders. In Zorin, those folders are known as directories. Simply, this document, download, music, pictures, these are different folders. If you were in Windows, you will call them as folders. But in Linux, we call them as directories. Just that's simple. Okay. Now we will move on to our terminal. For opening the terminal, you can go here and type terminal, or you can directly use a shortcut key to open the terminal, that is Alt, Control, and T. See, my terminal is open now. Now the first command which I am going to tell you is pwd. Pwd's full form is print working directory. What it will do, it will show you the directory or the folder in which you are currently in. After this, I will write ls. Ls means list. It will list down all the directories or folders and files in your system. So here we have desktop, documents, download, music, pictures, and many more folders. Okay. Now, if you want to create a new folder, so how you can do so? You can write mkdir. Full form of this command is make directory, and then give the name of your folder. Let's suppose I'm giving the name as Java, and then press enter. Now, as you can see here, we have come to the next line. Now, if I write ls, see here Java folder has been created. Now, to move on to that particular folder, so what I have to do, I have to write cd. Cd means change directory, and then write the name of the folder in which I want to move, cd java. And now if I will write pwd, print working directory, then you can see that we are in Java folder right now. After this, I would like to show you the ls -a command. This command will show you all every hidden files and folders like this. As you can see here, these are some of the hidden files. These are the bash files. To remove any file or any directory, you can write for removing a directory, you can write rmdir, that is remove directory, the name of the directory Java. See, and if I will now click ls, as you can see, here is no Java directory, a directory named Java that is not present here now. And then if your directory here, as you know, in Java directory we don't have any other files or folders, so we have used rmdir. If we have something in Java folder, then we could use rm, then -r, and then write the name of that directory. So right now we don't have Java named directory, so it will show you no such file or directory. Okay, so and after this, okay, so now what I will do, I will just simply make a new directory named c. So I will write mkdir. Okay, yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you, that if you want to go back to a particular directory, let's suppose I am going inside the music directory. Okay, so I will write cd music. Now I am in the music directory. Let me show you. So I am in the music directory. Now if I want to go back to my home directory, so what I have to do, I have to write only cd. Okay, it will take me back to my home directory. If you want to know your system configuration, then you can write uname, then -a. It will show you the information about your system, the system in which you are working on. Okay, then now if you want to see the access details of all the directories present in my system, I have to write ls, then space -l, and then click enter. As you can see here, drw, xr, and these words, these are the access details. That means these files, these directories have access to public owner and group other. So further we will discuss about this in our next video in detail, full detail. We will discuss about all this. And if you write ls and -a and then -l, then it will also show you all the hidden files and their access. See, there are so many hidden files. These were the files which are not hidden, and these are the hidden files. As you can see in your system, these files are the hidden files. These were not initially shown when I wrote ls command. After writing ls a, I get to know about this. Okay, so clear my terminal, I have to write clear, clear. Now my terminal is clear. And if I want to exit my terminal, I can simply write exit. Okay, see.